What's going on, everyone? It's pretty late on Sunday night, but I've pretty much figured out some positions I want to take on Monday morning. So on Friday, I had a CCL covered call that I was assigned on. So this morning, I might either look at buying 100 more shares of Carnival and selling more calls against them, or possibly selling a cash secured put. Most likely, I'm going to sell the cash secured put. So it's like 2 in the morning and I just got home before the markets open in 7 hours. I just wanted to say all of these trades are trades I'm looking at making, and there's no guarantee I'm going to make any of them. What I'm going to do is watch the market as it opens, watch the movements, and if everything looks fine, I'll be making them one at a time, probably spread throughout the day or a couple days, just so I don't make all the moves at once, because that's one other way that you can get yourself in trouble. If you made like 10 moves in 10 minutes, I think you'd be a lot better off spreading your trades out throughout the week, unless your timing's just impeccable. But anyway, if the market starts moving in a way I really don't like tomorrow, I could possibly sell all my underlying stock positions just to keep some liquidity in my account. But the biggest thing is I'm going to see what happens and just slowly start making moves. So I got to get in here and go to sleep. I got about 7 hours before the markets open up. These are positions I will most likely take today and throughout the week. I still have my American Airlines stock, but I'm not really going to sell a covered call this week because my cost basis is still too high, and I'm going to wait until Wednesday to see what happens with the Delta Airlines earnings. I still have about 300 shares of GoPro. I'm going to sell weekly covered calls, and I'm going to sell the $3 strike price calls expiring this week, and I should be able to collect $15 premium each, or about $45 total. I have 100 shares of AMRN that I got from buying a call that expired in the money, and I'm either going to sell those for a 50% profit or sell a covered call against them. Right now I'm thinking I'm going to sell the covered call. I have 200 shares of NCHL, or Norwegian Cruise Line. I got my cost basis down from $16 to about $13.50, and I think I'm going to be selling the $13.50 strike, even though I could potentially sell the $12.50 strike. I have 5 CCL $10 puts expiring on June 9th, and I'll be selling the weekly $10 strike puts against those, and I should be able to collect a $23 premium on each of those for about $115 total. I have 2 Delta airline credit spreads that expire this week. I'm going to close those before Wednesday because they have earnings and I don't want to risk a large price move. I have 2 Boeing options that expire on July 17th. It's a $170 call and a $150 put. I'm probably going to sell the weekly $170 strike call against my further out one, which would be a calendar spread. And for the put side, there's still some bad news against Boeing, so I'll hold out and see what happens with that. What I might end up doing is doing a diagonal spread on that and selling a very low strike price against my put, maybe 135 or less dollar strike, maybe even $125 strike. That way, if Boeing moves down a lot, I'll still profit off of my long put in that spread. So right now, these are just my tentative plans. I got to see what the price does as the day goes on, and I'll probably stagger these throughout the day and possibly make some tomorrow or even the next day as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found a little bit of the information educational. And yeah, I'll see what happens today, make some plays, and hopefully everything works out. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, futures aren't moving too much. I don't know if we're going to have a green day today. We'll see what happens with the earnings.